Artemis at root is inseparable from the natural world. She exemplifies this interwoven truth of all of our beings. In this meditation, we are invited to magnify this understanding for ourselves, to embody this knowing. Settling now into our fully embodied heart, let this voice take us to a space of knowing. In a quiet and comfortable space, sit or lie down where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep, cleansing breath. Let any tension in your body release as you exhale. And with each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into an open relaxation. Now, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a lush and vibrant forest. The air is filled with the scent of pine and earth, and the sounds of rustling leaves and distant bird song envelop you. In front of you stands Artemis, a beacon of strength, compassion, and empowerment. Artemis, the eco-feminist queen, stands tall and radiant, surrounded by animals that she protects and cares for. Visualize her presence as a gentle yet powerful force that encompasses the entire forest. Her aura exudes love for all living beings and a deep-rooted connection to the natural world. Envision her majestic chariot, drawn by graceful and noble deer. The chariot gleams in the dappled sunlight, and Artemis stands atop it with grace and authority. As you watch, she invites you to step onto the chariot beside her. Feel the smooth wood beneath your feet and the gentle sway of the chariot as it begins to move. As you journey through the forest on Artemis's chariot, feel the wind in your hair and the warmth of the sun on your skin. The trees part to make way for you, and the animals look up in recognition and appreciation. You are entering Artemis's realm, a place where she is at home among the trees, the animals, all of the wild areas. Imagine Artemis as the protector of all creatures, her watchful gaze ensuring their safety and well-being. Feel her deep connection to this animal kingdom and her unwavering commitment to their preservation. Let her energy infuse you with a sense of responsibility and compassion for this world. As you continue your journey with Artemis, notice the loyal group of young women who accompany her. They radiate positivity and strength, embodying qualities of leadership and support. Artemis has a heart that beats in harmony with the rhythm of our planet. Picture her extending her shield of love and strength to women and children, offering them a safe haven in her presence. Feel her energy empowering you to stand up for those who need protection and nurturing your own life. Now, as you stand beside Artemis, invite her energy to flow into you. Imagine her warm and healing light enveloping you, filling you with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. With each breath, draw in her energy, allowing it to heal any negative behaviors or attitudes toward the natural world. Artemis, with her delightful demure and sureness of thought, encourages you to reflect on your actions and their impact on the environment. Feel her guiding you to make conscious choices that promote healing and harmony between humanity and the earth. As you immerse yourself in her energy, envision yourself taking steps to correct the deeds of industrialization and embrace a more sustainable path. In this moment, let go of any doubts or insecurities. Artemis stands by your side, strengthening your resolve and reminding you of your own inherent power. Her presence empowers you to be strong in your convictions and to stand up for what you believe in, just as she defends and protects the natural world. As our meditation draws to a close, take a deep breath and feel the gratitude within your heart for the time we've spent with Artemis. Know that her energy and inspiration will stay with you, guiding you as you move forward. Remember that you have the ability to make a positive impact on the world around you, just as Artemis does in her own realm. Let her energy inspire you to heal your relationship with the natural world and to embrace a more harmonious and sustainable way of living. Aligned in our compassionate heart, we add the goddess's grace. Let us memorize this combined feeling, a fierce love of nature and the strength to be a leader. Placing our hands somewhere on our bodies, more deeply integrating whatever shifts may have happened. Breathing. Before we bring this Artemis alignment to a close, we notice the adjustments we have made and how this changes our vibe now and in the hours and weeks ahead. We notice any specific actions that are calling. Deepen the breath. Feel strong and protected. Slowly open the eyes partway looking down, maintaining the new inner location. Open the eyes fully, and in whatever way calls you, seal this experience, carrying the energy of Artemis, uplifting as you move forward into this day.